Some people says that the planet Earth becomes sick and humans are the virus. It is we as a species have destroyed this beautiful planet at an alarming rate. This is true. It is we who take more than we need and leave a trail of destruction. Now it is time for us to reflect on ourselves and ask, what have I done for the Mother Earth? What are we doing for conserve the environment? A very hearty morning and warm welcome to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 standing before you presenting today's morning assembly on the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day. This day acknowledges that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and healthy society. Let us appreciate the gift of nature and pray to God that we can change ourselves and work to conserve the nature. Let us start today's morning assembly. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, every morning is destiny's way of telling us that our purpose in life is yet to be fulfilled. I would like to call Arif from class 7 for pledge to remind us our destiny as a citizen of India. So take position for pledge. Thank you, Arif. Being responsible human beings, we should participate in protecting and conserving our nature to ensure the well-being of the present and future generation. Listening to good thoughts every day helps us to move towards the right direction. So for thought of the day, I would like to invite Shaurya from class 7. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shaurya. Thought of the day. Conservation is a great moral issue, for it involves the patriotic duty of ensuring the safety and continuance of the nation. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. The aim of World Nature Conservation Day is to work to conserve nature globally so that the world would be more habitable place for present and future generations. Let everybody know the importance of the conservation of nature. I would like to invite Rubina from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you, Rubina, for such a nice speech. We live in a free country because of our leaders' sacrifice and our soldiers' fight to keep us safe. Let us respect and honor the ones who risk their lives so we can live in peace. National anthem display our love and loyalty to our country. So get ready for national anthem and start. After national anthem, on World National Conservation Day, let us decide to use the earth and its resources wisely. Let us maintain the link with nature by conserving the fauna and trees and plants from the natural environment of the earth. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.